Hello, this is Bill, a meteorologist at the National Weather Service office in Grand Forks. We will be taking a look at the upcoming storm system for Thursday in two parts of Friday. This is a challenging storm system, so it is important to check back for updates from now through Friday. But let's start off by looking at the current watches and warnings that have been issued by the National Weather Service. There is a high wind warning in effect for Thursday for parts of central and eastern North Dakota, generally from Rolla to Valley City to Gwinner. A winter storm watch remains in effect for most of eastern North Dakota, the Red River Valley, and portions of the northwest quarter of Minnesota. The timing on this watch is for Thursday into early Friday. Remember that watches still mean there is uncertainty involved. Let's get into the finer details of this system. An Alberta clipper is expected to track from southern Saskatchewan into the northern Red River Valley by around sunrise on Thursday. Then the system will slow down somewhat, reaching east-central Minnesota by Thursday evening. This system is expected to bring strong north winds to the region, especially along and west of the Red River Valley. Look for gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour for areas in the high wind warning area. The stronger gusts are expected to blow down limbs, trees, and perhaps some power lines and will make travel difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. How much snow is the big question? Here are what the most likely snow amounts using our latest forecast. From this map, the least amount of snow is currently expected from Devil's Lake down towards Cooperstown and Foreman. That is the reason there is a break between the high wind warning and the winter storm watch in this area. Should little or no snow fall, there would be very limited winter weather impacts in that area. The higher snow amounts are expected over the northwest quadrant of Minnesota and the far northern Red River Valley, especially along the international border and in the Lake of the Woods area. There is still uncertainty involved in the snow forecast. This graphic shows one lower end possibility as well as a higher end one. So our highest confidence is with the strong winds expected. We have lower confidence in these parameters. First, if cold air rushes in more quickly from Canada than we expect, it would speed up the potential impacts for Thursday. On the other hand, less snow would also mean less impactful weather. Will roads get slippery or slushy? Strong north winds and falling temperatures along with steady snow rates would overcome the warm ground and cause slippery roads. This would be more likely on Thursday night after cold air has moved in across the forecast area. Less snow would mean better road conditions. Now, how about visibility? Well, snow rates can stay steady or become intense. The strong wind gusts would cause very low visibilities should that happen. These reduced visibilities would be most likely in open rural areas and less likely within sheltered, larger cities. Little falling snow would make for lower impacts, so these are uncertainties that we will continue to monitor. For planning purposes, we are expecting the strong winds first to the Devil's Lake to Valley City corridor sometime around sunrise on Thursday. However, any snow will probably lag behind the strong winds just a little bit. This temperature map shows the snow potential at 7 a.m. Thursday being along the Canadian border in north central and far northeast North Dakota. By 10 a.m. in the morning on Thursday, the wind surge is expected to push into the Red River Valley. However, the snow, once again, lags a little bit behind the winds, with light snow now moving across the Devil's Lake Basin region and into the northern Red River Valley. Other areas further south will be too warm yet for snow. By 1 p.m. Thursday, the entire Red River Valley region should be experiencing the strong north winds. By this time, light snow is expected into east-central North Dakota into northwest Minnesota. Warmer temperatures over the southern valley into west-central Minnesota may still keep the precipitation in liquid form just yet. It will stay windy with light snow Thursday into early Friday. with improving conditions expected during the day on Friday as wind velocities gradually diminish. Thank you for listening, and please stay tuned for future updates.